Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Soak, Fizz, and Bubbles. This is their Mummy Attack Bath Bomb, which is adorable and, as always, super colorful. I love when I'm able to gently place it in the tub and it doesn't roll over. That way you can see the little face dissolving into the water. And this one has a ton of fragrance notes, which include sugar agave, tropical papaya, warm musk, creamy coconut, sweet caramel, bergamot zest, tangy pomegranate, and strawberry blossoms. Quite a list. But to me, I smelled a little bit of musk, but overall had a lot of sweetness to it, and I thought it smelled really, really good. And I love how colorful it is in the tub. And I say this every time, but no matter what colors they use, the water turns out really pretty. It never is like brown or like murky looking. So overall at the end, you'll see that the water kind of looks like grapefruit juice. A little bit of pink, a little bit of orange. And very vibrant, that's for sure. So unfortunately, all their Halloween stuff sold out very early. And it doesn't look like they'll be restocking it. It says they won't be back to next year. So I'm not sure if that's true, but you can go to their website, put in your email address, and they will notify you whenever they have their restocks. I'm hoping they come out with some Christmas stuff. I'll be super bummed if they don't, but I would highly recommend joining the little mailing list so you get notified because they have some great bath bombs. I have an entire playlist in case you'd like to see past reveals or demos I've done. But here's what the water looked like at the end. Very pretty shade. So yeah, make sure you check them out when they come back online. I do have a promo code below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.